Hello, greetings everyone. Yeah, a friend of a teacher was trying to set up a quiz using Canva, and she doesn't know how to do that. So it is very simple. You just click on the Canva homepage. So let's go. We can start from the scratch. And let me show everyone how it goes. So this is it here. Let's start from scratch. For someone who will say, where did you start? Yeah, so you simply click on create. This is when you want to create from scratch. You click on you select presentation. So when the presentation is open, look at it now, the presentation is simply trying to open. So I can do what? Search for quiz here, or do not search for any other thing. So I can actually search for quiz templates, which is very simple. So look at it here now. A lot of quiz templates popped up. So if I want, I can click on any one. Remember that this, I can actually change the size of this. So if I want it like this, don't worry, we are going to explore. No? So if, for example, this is it. This is quiz time. I'll click on start. If I want to use this template, I will go ahead and use it. But if I don't want, I can actually start mine from scratch. But you know, the good thing about Canva is that this template actually makes it very easy for anyone who wants to create. Let's take for example, I have no knowledge of what I want to create, but having this template will actually help me to, okay, I can actually edit and add up what I want. So let's just take a look at this example, multiple choice. I'll actually create this, and the person can be able to click, and when I'm done creating, I'll create it as a video, and you see now you can actually play it and it will play. And so let's take other examples. Let's take this example here, this one. So let's play it and see how it goes. We didn't actually start from the beginning. So you see, it's done. Let me take it to start from the beginning again, and let's play. So this is it. This is the after, when you are done creating. This is how it's going to be. So these are the things that you are going to set up. Now let's go back to where this is trying to create from the scratch. It's you that actually know what you want to create. There are others. This thing you can also talk about math quiz templates, because the person is one of my math teachers. So math, you can do what? Click math quiz templates. Very good. So we see we have a lot here. So it depends on what you want to talk about. We have a lot of topics here. So I don't see anything that will actually make a teacher or delay anyone in trying to create something. This one is just for plus sign. Look at it here. So your quiz is ready. If you want to customize and edit all these ones. If you don't want this one, you can actually do what? Go back, pick another one based on the topic that you want. But this isn't actually what the person is looking for. So let's go back to the home page. This one, remember I said it is for someone who wants to start from scratch. If you don't want to start from scratch, you come here. This is template. So under template, you type what? Quiz. It's as simple as that. Click enter. So you see a lot of quiz templates, just like we saw the other one. So whichever one that works for you, you go with it. Look at it now. Look at it. Look at it. So if you want the one that will actually play on its own, fine, you will find the template here. If you want the one that is just an ordinary picture, just let's take example of this one. This one is just like as an ordinary picture. Let's just customize it and work on it quickly. So it's quiz time. You can actually write maybe quiz with Abigail. So let's go. Quiz. Or we say French quiz with Abigail. Sorry. can say French quiz with Abigail. French quiz with Abigail. So I'll come here. Let me look for something to write in French. Let me think of something. So let's go. I can simply go ahead and say here, what does bonjour mean? We are going. What does bonjour mean? So I'll put my question mark. That's my question I'm trying to. Don't worry, after I can change the color. So let me go to this very one, this very option. Please let me make it bold. I think it's way too tiny. Make it bold. So I'll say A. My A will be goodbye. Goodbye. My B will be good morning. Good morning. My C will be good night. While my D will be please. So I'll come here. If I want to put anything there, I didn't. But if I want, I can actually write my website here. I'll write the name of my school just to customize this. I'll say Abirigal. Abirigal. Let me clean it. If you want, you can write your name there. Abirigal Multilingual. Multilingual Academy. Abirigal Multilingual Academy. If I want, I'll write my website and put it there. So you can just stay there. Remember, you can actually choose what to write here. Anything you want, write it here. So my quiz is actually ready. So if I want, I can just go ahead and play it here. So remember, I didn't add any sound. If I want, I actually do what? Click on the audio here. Click on audio here. If I want, I can click on generate to generate. But I actually do not want. I quickly have a class. I just want to show. So what another mistake I also need, that if I want, I can actually go to the options and choose my answer as B. You see how the other one was popping up. So when it is playing, you actually know that this is the answer. So please go ahead and try something. Let me see another options here. There's another option that you can actually create. Yes, this one, you see the way it is. This one is in A4 form. So quiz time, let me create the same thing. I can say quiz time with Abigail. So quiz time with Abigail. Quiz time with Abigail. I need to be fast. My students will soon be in class. Let me reduce the font size so it can enter. Good. Please do not mind the noise in the background, please. So let's play. I can simply repeat the same thing, or I'll simply say, what does merci mean? So let me go with something else. What does merci mean? Remember, I'm just trying to show something, not really to. So let me just put it like this. Option A, I will say sorry. Just click on sorry. Option B, and then we go like this. Option B, thank you. Thank you. So this is it. I can go ahead and change it, and my quiz is ready. So when I'm done with this one, I can quickly click on add page. It come. If I want to change the color, it's very simple. I'll go ahead here, pick any color of my choice, and voila, everything is okay. Look at it, change my color, because each time you are creating, remember it's someone that creates this. So one thing you have to bear in mind, you have to customize it, choose your own color, make changes so that it won't be exactly the same thing. So this is your coach, your teacher, Uneke Chineya Big Girl. Once again, thank you very much for this opportunity. Okay, so let's keep on learning and keep making online teaching fun. See you. Bye bye. Au revoir.